Hey guys, Yori here with a really fast tutorial on how to create stylized buildings. I'm busy with this project where I want to create those very distinguished favela buildings from Brazil. It's for an animation project that I'm working on right now, but I wanted them to have this like stylized look to them. So I created these very blocky, very easy shaped buildings, and I want to make them look more like this. So it's very stylized, very cartoony, very bubbly, and all sorts. So what I basically did was make all these separate buildings and stack them up on each other. Of course, let me just duplicate this one. Then I have to apply everything, of course, because these have still some modifiers on them. Mostly array modifiers, so it should be really quick. As you can see, this is not really rehearsed or anything. It's just a very quick tip I came on. So we add a lattice modifier, as you can see here. Scale it up to fit like the object that you want to stylize, basically. Like this. Then the object has to be one whole single object, so I'm gonna join everything together like this and add a lattice modifier to the object that you want to stylize. So like this, and then select the lattice that you want this object to be affected by, and go into edit mode of the lattice, and just like this you can get really fast, very fancy, cartoony looking buildings, basically. You can also go into the lattice info tab and add a bit more geometry, so you can have a bit more control over which parts should be bigger than other parts. So yeah, I found this really cool trick by just playing around with modifiers and stuff, and I thought, why not share it? So yeah, hopefully you guys can do anything with this. Hopefully you guys learned something new. Leave a like, drop a subscribe, and yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.